Well, hello. We got a few things going in, like a whole rear end, basically 410 gears, a girdle. And I do have the MGW shifter right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to do that, so I'm going to drop it off with the rear end, see if Josh wants to knock that out. But we'll see. If he can't, I'm going to do that later, probably make a separate video. But I'm not sure if I'm going to have time. I got a teacher coming in to help the kids today, basically with their language and stuff. I just want to keep them up to par with everything, because in my house is Italian, Spanish, English going on, which could kind of confuse their language. My daughter's going to be 3, and I want her to be able to speak even more, like full sentences and go full-blown on everything. My son's going to be 2, and I want to try and get his level of speech even higher. So if that makes sense. I know we're babbling on about my kids, but we got that going on today, dropping this off at the shop today. There's a few other things I got to do today, and I'm going to try and make a stop out to my dad's grave later today. So it's a lot. But yeah, so far the update right now is taking this car out to get the rear end done today, and then maybe the shifter. We'll see. All right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Fire department's closing. All right, we're on to the next part of this video. As you guys know, we were supposed to get the differential done, the rear end done, 410 gears, the whole works. And we didn't. However, they installed the MGW shifter. Since we were not able to do the whole rear end, they had a, I was in like basically a slot time, free time, since the rear end didn't get done. They had time to get the MGW shifter done. I wanted to do it for the channel. However, I have a lot of things going on. For those who do not know, my father was killed in a motorcycle accident in early May. So I've been dealing with all that. My sister and I are the estate. We're dealing with the process of his death, grieving. I mean, it's the whole works. It's not an easy process for them or those who had to deal with that. Taking over your parents' estate, running it, paying the last cycle of bills, and so on. It's not some easy task. And so I've been dealing with all this stuff in the middle of all these, trying to do car content for you guys, and it's just been a process. Like, I love you guys for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. I've just been going through a lot over the last few years, and I'm trying to stay on top of everything. With this, YouTube is something I've always wanted to do, and here I'm doing it. So let's just continue. Rear end was supposed to get done. It did not. We had some issues in the carrier, some metal shavings and stuff that were in there, and I don't want to put in 410 gears and all this other stuff, knowing that it might blow or something go wrong. I just screw everything up. So we ordered a brand new carrier. I think it's a Yukon coming up from Texas. So we're going to wait for that to arrive. Then we're going to put the 410 gears in, the Drake girdle, axle. The whole works is going to get done. But we did get the MGW shifter installed. Well, Josh did, and JJ. I think it was Josh. Like I said, I was not able to do it like I wanted to. Just a lot of shit going on. So let's dip into that. Let's feel that shifter out. And then I got the stock one over here. Let's show you guys that. Because I had the Hearst. Hearst had issues, put the stock one back in, and those are never good. So I have that out, and the MGW one is in. Funny enough, I have my Hearst T-handle on top of the MGW shifter. And then, like I said, I don't know if I said it, but I have a little hit and run. Nothing major, but it's enough to piss you off. All right, let's go. First off, we have the hit and run. I don't know really what happened. I don't know how it happened. We do have that, and it looks like they tried to get it out. I know it's a wrap, so you can peel this off. I don't feel any like indent, but I know this is a wrap, so I can peel this off, and that will be gone. Same for the front bumper, but that isn't that bad. I don't know how it happened. I couldn't tell you. I know there's a little mark over, yeah, right there. So we got that as well. I don't know. I have no idea. And then down here, another part I don't know if it all happened at once. Maybe it was a truck or something having something. I'm really lost, because usually you can kind of figure this stuff out. But something happened. And no, I have not bottomed out the car at all. Now, usually my stock shifter would sit more forward, over here more. This one sits up here, almost like it's in neutral, but it's actually not neutral. Okay, I'll put this on. Now I'm in neutral. Like I said, sorry, it's a little dirty in the interior. I have not got to the interior yet, and I figure I'll shoot this video before it gets dark, and I got to go to work soon, so. But yeah, this is neutral. First gear, second, third, fourth, fifth. So it's like it feels nice. So pretty cool. At least that's done and out of the way. I'm sorry I did not do the video like I planned on and wanted to, but like I said, there's just been a lot of stuff going on. And I got to redo this as well. Lovely. Figure why not take it out a little bit. Feels good though. Not bad. Nice. Very nice. But it feels great. It feels good. I don't have to worry about too much. It's a very nice shifter. Trying to turn around this little slope. Nothing's coming. There we go. Very good. Very good. But yeah, I don't know who hit the car. I don't know how it happened. Obviously nobody left a note because nobody cares. And that's just how society works nowadays. It's very rare to see anybody step up and, you know, fix the issue they caused or admit to their problems. But, you know, it's the way life is, I guess. So, yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot to show you other than my little hit and run, little update on the rear end and the MGW shifter being installed, and it's amazing. I mean, you guys, if you don't have one, you need to get in a car that has one to understand the feeling. You know, it's a really nice feeling. It feels great. Anyway, I would want to and I will push out more content. Just give me a little bit of time. I have another vacation coming up where I'm hoping to look at car meets, shows and stuff. There is a drag race coming up, but I do not know if my car will be ready in time because of the rear end, and I don't know if the slicks are going to be here in time. Like I said, I'm changing the car up a little bit. These are things I don't know, so they're up in the air. But I want to try and hit up some shows, hit up some meets, record some content for you guys, other than just my car, but other cars at the show, and capture some cool stuff, hopefully. So again, thanks guys. See you next time, and hopefully I have more for you. All right, later.